If I say this SEBI Grade A legal exam is once and lifetime opportunity for you, is that going to be an exaggeration? 34 vacancies. You are going to be an officer with the securities market, capital markets regulator of the country, a country which is third largest economy in terms of the purchasing power parity. Coming to what you need to ensure that you crack this exam, let's now talk about phase 1 exam. You have limited number of days. You have to ensure that you get 30% in paper 1, where you have QRE, quant, reasoning and English, also general awareness, and the selection will matter more on paper 2 because this is going to be more useful also in the phase 2 exam, which is going to be counted for your final selection. But if you don't get phase 1, all your efforts will go waste. In paper 2, you are also going to add English descriptive, which is about English writing skill we have detailed in other videos. I would suggest right now, before phase 1 exam, your focus shall be on ensuring that you get through it. This phase 2 preparation, where you have some additional topic in paper 2, interview will come later. How you are going to cover the syllabus, the important one, which are going to be determining most to your success, are like Companies Act, Securities Law. SEBI has clearly mentioned higher weightage 15% each, and then coming the criminal law. But this criminal law, actually you must have studied also quite well during your law graduation. However, understanding of the companies law and securities law remains little bit less because that time the focus was something different. When you were doing your undergrad, the focus must be on criminal procedures, civil procedures, contract law, evidence law. Must have understood the basics of the Constitution of India, how it is going to set the ground rule for making law in the country. But right now in SEBI exam, please understand these specific chapters here in companies law and securities law with some examples, doing some MCQs. Let me show you how you can do that. On your dashboard, when you go to the SEBI course, you will find that all the content here. So start with the preparation strategy, which you will find in one of these videos. Let me play one for you.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू ixamBee। मैं हूं अरुणिमा और इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे सेबी ग्रेड ए लीगल ऑफिसर की।
And as I said earlier, you have to go through this paper 1, all topics related to quant, reasoning, English language and general awareness are given in the course. Important things like some terms, current affairs, also monthly quizzes there. Phase 1 content will help you in completing you all the important topic that you can get 30% marks. That is the minimum 30% you have to get here. And then coming to the legal. So here, if you are sure that you are going to get 30% in phase 1, actually you shall aim for 40-45%, so that in exam at least 30 you get. Here you can see we have divided the entire syllabus into 7 topics: constitutional law, civil and criminal law, securities law, corporate law, administrative law and law of contract, law, torts, consumer protection and arbitration. And here you will have lot of MCQs to practice. This is very important as the exam is MCQ based. If you have not practiced multiple choice questions, which are there in the form of test here, let me show this. Which of the following correctly explains a tort? Tort, as I understand, is a kind of civil wrong, either private or public. Submit these tests. The better learning comes from examining the test when you have the answer explanation. Tort is really a kind of civil wrong as opposed to the criminal wrong, either in public or in private. Likewise, the solutions given here helped you understanding. At the time of study, these looks very easy. Say, to constitute a tort, there must be. So when you read such options, you are understanding the concept. The conceptual understanding based on which the exam questions can be there becomes very clear. And securities law and corporate law, these are most important. As I said, you will also find everywhere coverage in form of the notes which you can revise. You still have time. When the to the point material is available to you today, you still have time to cover this all because you already are a law graduate. You are not really starting it from the very scratch. But the point is, you have to be better than the competition. You read these notes, practice these quizzes here. You can see so many quizzes. And you have any doubt, come to the live class in which you can interact with the faculty. You can ask anything you have not understood properly. And in these classes, these topics are covered for your benefit.
Is yet to perform or has to perform. Bilateral, again, as the name suggests. Yes. Yes.
Actually, there is a class of IPC which is started from 6th chapter.
And likewise, you can ask your questions. This is your opportunity, this is your time. And as I said in the beginning, this is really a golden opportunity to take advantage of the ixamBee faculty. This is the best time as you have an interesting gift from ixamBee. You have to visit our website to find out this. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, like and share the video. Best wishes for your preparation. Good luck.